CMAG Health Solutions, providing families peace of mind through healthcare technology. Using home automation combined with the highest level of cybersecurity, the CMAG team will customize a remote caregiver system that can address any family's needs, affording their loved ones the possibility of continuing to live in their home while family members can get the peace of mind they need. Once a family customizes their remote caregiver system with a technology consultant, one of our certified installers will take care of the rest. Let's join a few members of the CMAG team while they install a remote caregiver system in a client's home. My name is Spencer Garrett, and I'm the managing partner for the Healthcare Technology Division of CMAG Health Solutions. I'm here today with Alex. He's one of our CMAG team members, and we're here in a client's home to demonstrate the setup of one of our remote caregiver systems. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to actually place a sensor here on the refrigerator. What this is going to do, this is going to allow the client to get notifications tailored to their preference of when this door opens. So for example, if they want to know at night if somebody's going into the fridge, they'll be able to see that. So what we're installing now is the occupancy sensor for the bed. That's going to go right on top of the mattress, right where someone's hips would be. It's actually a wireless device. You know, that's one of the advantages of this is we don't have to run a wire back to a main panel. So what we have here is actually our fall detection pendant. And then if it detects a potential fall, it's going to actually send out an alert. So the best thing about this pendant is that it doesn't need to have that button pushed to send an alert signal. It actually has an accelerometer on board that will detect a potential fall and alert even if you're unable to press that button if you're incapacitated. So what we have here is our flood sensor. The way this installs, these little metal points go face down right at floor level, and they're basically designed to just when there's water present, it will complete a circuit there, a low voltage circuit, and that will trigger the alarm so that if there's an overflowing tub, if there's an overflowing toilet or sink, they're going to be alerted to that before it's doing damage to the floor below, things like that. So here's what we do with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the sensor itself down here at the very bottom, and then the transmitter just goes right up here. So this is the main panel. This serves as the brains of the system. All of your home automation and sensor devices connect to this. It has encrypted communication with the sensors and with home automation. It also has the ability to communicate with the Alarm.com servers via both cellular communication and Wi-Fi. So really what you get there is the best of both worlds. You get the speed of the Wi-Fi, but the reliability of that always-on cell connection.
Visit us at www.cmaghealth.com or call us at 410-517-CMAG. That's 410-517-2624.